how to make stickers in Samsung and find all the stickers you have created in your Samsung device. Now, to first of all make stickers on Samsung, it's very simple. You just launch the gallery app, select a certain image, long press on the image that you want to save as sticker. So it will be separated from the background, then tap on save as sticker once the process is complete. Now that way you can generally just save your stickers. In this case, as you can see from the pop-up feed as well, you can select your sticker style if you want to, then tap on the done button to save the changes. Now you have created your stickers. Now what do you do if you want to just go ahead and then find these stickers? Now to find the stickers, you can actually use any social media application, in this case, to open up your stickers pack. So you could open up WhatsApp and you could generally just go to any chat in this process. So I'll just go ahead and then chat so that I'll just open a certain account. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once I've done that, I can just tap on the smiley emoji face icon from my Samsung keyboard, and from here I can go to this stickers icon, which is this gallery icon. Now I can just select a sticker that I want to send. I can tap on send a sticker and it will be sent as a sticker in this case. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.